guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Chubby's tutorial. So here we'll be looking at Lewis structure for ammonia. So first of all, let's start by writing the molecular formula for ammonia. This is the molecular formula for ammonia, NH3. So first of all, if you're asked to write or draw a Lewis structure for any compound, you start by calculating the total number of valence electrons of each element in the compound. That is, here we have nitrogen, here we have also hydrogen. So nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, hydrogen has 1 valence electron, but we have 3 atoms of hydrogen here. That is multiplying it by 3, that is giving us 3 electrons. So total number of electrons in this compound here is 5 plus 3, that is making it 8 electrons. So let's use our periodic table to verify that each of these elements have the correct valence electrons. So let's check here. Nitrogen is under group 5, that means it has 5 valence electrons. Hydrogen is under group 1. Hydrogen is under group 1, that means it has 1 valence electron. Hydrogen is under group 5. Nitrogen is under group 5, that means it has 5 valence electrons. So let's get back to our structure. So here we know ammonia is a covalent compound. So each line here means shared electrons. Hydrogen will donate 1 electron, nitrogen will donate 1. They will not share it equally. Not equally, depends on their electronegativity. This one, nitrogen and hydrogen will donate one electron. Hydrogen, the same thing applies to this one also. So each line here means 2 electrons. So as we have already calculated from here, we have total number of electrons in this compound is 8. So we subtract 6 from 8. Remember, each of this line means 2 electrons. That is making it 2, 4, 6. So the remaining electrons are 2. 2 electrons are still remaining. So I know our hydrogen can only accommodate 2 electrons. So that means for this hydrogen, this one, they are completely filled. So these 2 remaining electrons will be written here. That is to make this our nitrogen here balanced. Remember, this means 2, this means 2, this means 2. And remember, nitrogen has to, the highest number of electrons nitrogen can accommodate is 8. That is to give it its octet structure. So this one is 2, 2, 2, and this 2. That is giving it 8 electrons. That is to show that our nitrogen here is already balanced. So all the elements here are balanced. So that is to show that our structure is very, very correct. So guys, as you can see, there is nothing hard in drawing of Lewis structure for any compound. So I advise you subscribe to our channel, so that will keep you and update you on solutions, solving of problems on chemistry. We still have a lot to do. Subscribe and remain blessed. Thank you guys.